In this section, let's understand VPN segmentation. What is VPN segmentation, why we need it, and how do we implement it? So VPN segmentation, this is actually derived from business requirement. Let's say any particular customer has a big organization and one of its business units wants to have a separate routing domain, but they are not in a position yet to have a separate network infrastructure because commissioning the routers, configuring them, testing them takes time. Also, getting new links from provider, getting them commissioned, it takes months. So in case customer wants to get a separate routing domain but also wants to avoid the hassle of having to build a new network infrastructure from scratch, the new business unit has an option to use the existing network infrastructure of the parent organization. So if we take example of traditional Cisco MPLS VPN, let's say this is the setup. Here the blue segment already exists, so we have CPE that's already there on site. We have a PE, we have a link, we have a VRF, the backbone between these two PE, another PE in different city or different country, a VRF, a local link in that country, and the CPE. So this setup is already existing. And new business unit, let's call this new business unit, this orange business unit. Here, if we have to commission it from scratch, it's obviously going to take a lot of time. So we create a new VRF on the router and we use the same link. So this WAN link will be same, and we have a mechanism like with the help of switch in between or something that the traffic will be bifurcated for blue and orange segment. How do we do this in Versa? Let's say we have this setup for Versa and we have 4 sites: site 1, site 2, site 3, and SD-WAN gateway. Here in the LAN we are going to create a separate segmented LAN on all of the sites that wants to communicate. Let's say customer has 10 sites, but this new business segment only wants this network on 4 sites. So we'll do it only on the 4 sites. We'll create a segmented LAN and we'll ensure that these segmented LAN can communicate with each other, and we will verify that this segmented LAN is not doing any routing exchange with the parent LAN. This is still using the already existing infrastructure of the parent organization. The new business segment is using the Versa router of the parent organization. It's just having a separate routing domain in the Versa router. So I have laid out the steps that we need to do in order to do this. So first we have to create a sub-organization. Let's say our customer is customer A, the parent one, and new segmentation that we are creating, let's call it VPN_S. So first we'll create a organization, then we'll do the config on the branches that we want this new segmented LAN or new segmentation. Let's see.